After you finish a recording on your companion device, it will begin uploading to Pupil Cloud. The recording will end up here, in your Pupil Cloud workspace. If you have finished an entire data collection, your workspace may look something like this. To start doing analysis on these recordings, we need to add them to a project. Here, we can add enrichments to them. There are many enrichments you can use. In this video, we are going to demonstrate the reference image mapper. This enrichment automatically maps gaze onto a reference image. Once the enrichment is fully defined, we can start the computation. This can take some time to complete. Once it is done, we can see gaze mapped back to the image. From here, we can easily aggregate this data, for example, into a heat map. The heat map visualization takes the enriched data and visualizes aggregate data on the reference image. You can customize the color map and other parameters of the visualization. You can also select which recordings contribute to the visualization. You can download an image of the visualization directly from this view. Let's take a look at another visualization, the AOI heat map. The AOI heat map allows us to define specific areas of interest on top of the reference image. You can use this tool to draw different areas, from simple polygons to multiple disconnected shapes. You can select which metric, recording data, and area of interest to visualize. You can also make visual customizations to the heat map. Next, let's look at the Downloads view. The Downloads view provides a simple overview of all the data that can be downloaded from this project. You can manually include or exclude recordings from your downloads by clicking on the number of recordings under the Recordings column. For more information, check out docs.pupil-labs.com.